Hey guys, welcome back to section 5, where we're going to be looking at deep learning building blocks. So a couple more functions that are involved in neural networks. This first video is introduction to pooling. So what is pooling? Pooling is effectively a downsampling operation. Often as we go through the network, so as we do a forward pass, we want the dimensionality of the tensor to shrink as we move along. Okay, so often we start with a high dimensional image, and at the end we want a low dimensional vector that represents the classification. So often these are 10 dimensions if you've got 10 classes. And what pooling does essentially shrinks the region of the input into a scalar value. Okay, so here you can see with this example, we are doing max pooling on a 2x2 area as indicated by this kernel size here. So here we just look in this corner, what's the maximum? 6, you put a 6 there, move along to the next two, what's the maximum here? 5, 8, etc, etc. So it's really simple, really easy to use. So how do you perform pooling in PyTorch? Well, you simply you can use the functional API and then just do max underscore pool 2D tensor stride. Exactly, just like that. And I can quickly show you how it works. So if you go over to your terminal and run Python 3, import torch. So let's create a random tensor. So 3-dimensional random tensor of height and width 4 and 1 channel. And let's print it. So there you can see 4x4 tensor, you can see the values. And if we do pooling, so you do torch.nn.functional.max underscore pool 2D, pass in your tensor and specify your kernel size. And there you go. So as you can see here, so if you look at these top left 4, you can see the maximum is 0.4414 and similarly 1.9134, etc, etc. So there you go, that's just a very brief example of how max pooling works. It is useful and it is used often. It's not that hard to understand and it's not that hard to use, but it is important that you are aware of it.